10, puo ka badirammogo. Puo ka badirammogo. Re a itse o dirile le batho ba le 11 ke tsora e teng palo e ntseng yana. Re Moenda ke wa ntlha go dira le ene mo ba 11. Thank you very much.
To the both program directors, I would like to thank you for the opportunity that I've been granted to speak about the legend that I spoke about yesterday. I would like to acknowledge the presence of Kgosikgolo, together with Kgosi Ramono, the family, Miss Elina, Pheto, the children, Malebo, together with Muso, to the mother, to the brothers, all three of you, to the friends, extended family, and everyone gathered here today. Time flies. From last week, Thursday, it has been a very mammoth task, a very difficult time. But we are where we are. And it is what it is today. Men and women have spoken about this great legend. And whenever you hear everyone that has went past here, they talk about the selflessness of David Mpule Pheto. They talk about the integrity that he possessed. And I was listening to the son. For a young man at that age to have comforted the elders that are gathered here today in such a manner, it shows that he has indeed raised a young man that is going to stand up head and shoulders above the rest. I got an opportunity to speak about the work ethic yesterday. I got an opportunity to speak about the type of work we did together. So I will not repeat those. I will, however, give him a tribute of a different nature and say, final tribute to Ntate Mpule David Rampho Pheto. Yes, his nickname was Fire. I chose to put it here because his nemesis used to call him Fire. Ranyalala Umita Fire. So I hope that the fire can burn and burn beyond. Because the one thing that we would talk about Ntate Rampho was this forensic. And we were planning around this forensic. Though I guess he's taught me well, and I will do my best to contribute where I can. Farewell, old friend, comrade, colleague, brother, father, and a leader in his own right. What a tough week this has been. But today we bid you farewell. Knowing you was a blessing, and I will miss you so much. We shared so many secrets. No matter what was happening, you knew just what to do. We ran between the raindrops and walked beneath the sun. We went through ups and downs. Today you will be laid to rest. But you know what they say. God only takes the best. Everything happens for a reason, even if we may not agree. Just promise to look after us, and if you can save me a spot up there, I'll be a happy man, because when my time comes, I would like to share, and I would like to share the space with you. The thought of never seeing you again brings tears to my eyes, and even more so because this was such a surprise. The questions are flooding in my head, and with such a big head I possess, it's a commotion upstairs. We are here to celebrate your life and the measure of its worth, and every single life you touched while you were on this earth. He touched us differently, and when I was thinking what a better way I could do that, I went to this poem. I'm not so much of a poem reader, but allow me to share this poem with you. Oh, Captain, my Captain, our fearful trip is done. The ship has weathered. Every wreck, the prize we sought is won. The port is near. The bell I hear, the people all exulting. While follow eyes the steady keel, the vessel grim and daring. But oh heart, 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 oh the bleeding drops of red, where on the deck my captain lies, fallen cold and dead. Oh Captain, my Captain, rise up and hear the bells. Rise up, for you the flag is flung, for you the bugle trills. For you, bouquets and ribbons, wreaths, for you, the shores a crowding. For you, they call, the swaying mass, the eager faces turning. Here, Captain, dear father, this arm beneath your head, it is some dream that on the deck you have fallen cold and dead. My captain does not answer. His lips are pale and still. My father does not my father does not feel my arm. He has no pulse, no will. The ship is anchored, safe and sound. Its voyage closed and done. From fearful trip, the victor come in with object won. Exult, O shores, and ring, O bells. But I, with mournful tread, walk the deck my captain lies, fallen cold and dead. O Captain, my Captain. This was a poem talking about a man that could not accept the passing of a captain. And those that were here during the week would have seen how shattered I was. But today, I say farewell, Rampho. Many people will walk in and out of your life, but only true friends will leave footprints in your heart. I would like to close off with a quote from Rachel Naomi. Perhaps the secret of living well is not having all the answers, but in pursuing unanswerable questions in good company. I'd like to repeat that for you. Perhaps the secret of living well is not having all the answers, but in pursuing unanswerable questions in good company. Rampho, you have left a vacuum that cannot be filled. We will miss your legal mind. I will miss your sense of humor. I will miss that when you are late, you had a theme of entrance every single time. I will miss your sense of dressing. I will miss how you used to advise me. Yes, our enemies are happy. And I asked God to say that this was one man, when everyone was up against me, he would say, Mfanaka emapili, hakuiru yalo. I got attacked in the presence of this old man, and he would always say that, Kgosikgolo pele, go tlo siama. Now my question is that who will protect me? Who will advise me? The man that could have an ear for everyone, but not a single person knowing how much baggage he had. So, farewell, Pheto. May your soul rest in power and eternal peace. Bakgatla Bakgafela.